All right, I found all three zeros using synthetic division all the way. Some people will be okay with that. Some people would rather factor this, which is probably a better idea if you know how to factor. But this one starts with a leading coefficient that's not 1. So let's go to a new page. At this point, I found my first zero using synthetic division, and it's 5. And I get this factor here. But now I need to factor this part circled in the purple, this trinomial. All right, trial and error is going to look like this. I know that my first two numbers need to multiply to give me 3x squared. I know that, get some different colors here. I know that my last two numbers are going to need to multiply to give me a negative 35. Okay, what I'm looking for is the right combination that's going to give me an outer plus an inner that's going to give me the positive 8x. Okay, so the positive 8x is going to be the outer plus the inner. Now, this was not too tough. I know that my first two numbers need to give me 3x squared. And that's going to be 3x and x. Okay, 3x squared. My last two numbers need to give me a negative 35. So it's either going to be 1 and 35, or 2 doesn't work, 3 doesn't work, 5 and 7. Okay, so I don't have too many different possibilities to try. If I put in a 1 and a 35, my outer's going to be, oh, it's going to be too big, I know that. 35 times 3, 105, and 1. Is that going to give me 8? Nope. So let's switch them around. Let's try 35 and 1. It's going to give me 3 and 35. That's not going to give me 8 either. So let's try the 5 and the 7. Try the 5 here and the 7 here. That's going to give me 21 and 5. Does that give me 8? Nope. And let's switch them around the other way. 7 and 5. So now my outer 2 gives me 15x, and my inner 2 gives me 7x. Can I get 8 from these? Yes, I can. All right. This is a positive 8, so the larger one has to be positive. I need a plus 15 and a minus 7x. That will give me 8x. So the plus has to go here, and the minus has to go here. All right, now I've factored this trinomial, this polynomial completely. All right, so this polynomial way up here at the top is going to be x minus 5, 3x minus 7, and x plus 5. All right, now I can find my zeros. So x minus 5 equals 0, I'll get 1 0 there. 3x minus 7 equals 0, I'll get 1 0 there. And x plus 5 equals 0, I'll get a 0 there. So my 0 here is 5. My 0 here is 7 over 3. And my 0 here is going to be negative 5. Okay, so using trial and error factoring, here are my 3 zeros. What do you think of that?
Good.
It's good.